My sister blamed me for her divorce. My sister kicked my door open at midnight, her wedding ring clutched in her fist. Happy now? She sat, slamming a crumpled photo on my kitchen counter. A blurry shot of me handing her husband, Cole, a coffee. He left because of you. The family group chat exploded by morning. Mom, how could you? Dad, selfish. Aunt Lydia sent psalm verses about betrayal. All because Lila swore I'd stalked Cole for months. But 3 things didn't add up. That photo was from her birthday, the day she'd asked me to bring Cole his latte. Cole's goodbye note mentioned a secret only your sister knows. The $12,000 charge on my credit card from a jewelry store I'd never visited. I confronted Cole. He sighed, pulling up security footage on his phone. Lila, buying diamond earrings with my card while wearing his hoodie. She told me you'd stolen my identity, but the hoodie, it reeked of her perfume. I texted Lila the footage. No reply. Then Cole's text arrived. Found the receipt. I hit forward.